Hello guys, how are you? Today our topic is about how to set up ad copy, mean how to write ad copy in Facebook ads. So today our topic is this because this is an important part of our Facebook ads journey. Because when we set a good ads and we can write a proper ad set copy, mean like this primary text and destination and description and heading. So this reason, so today topic is about that. So let's start it how to set up ad set copy. So first of all we come to our ad. So in previous lecture you can see that we set our campaign and ad set level, target audience, location setting, pixel setup, and then today our topic is about how to write or set up ad copy. So this is so first of all we write there our product name because it's hidden, it's not see anyone. Page selected, setup, mean you are all are good. So there is two process. One is single image or video. If you want to run ad on single video or image, you can click. If you want to run ad on carousel, maximum 10 ads, mm, 10 ads and more than two. So you can set the carousel ad, and you can want to single image or video. You can set up a single image or video. You can click it, and after that you can click there and set image. I set image. So if you have an image you can upload from them. You can simply up, upload from that. After uploading, that, when you want to upload and you click there and upload from there, like we want to run ads on earbuds, like we so let's start it. We want to run ads on that. Yeah, so we can next, this is our ads. It's crop if you want to any crop, so you can crop it. Optimize if you want to optimize your ad, done. So this is our image setup. Okay, and so we can write a primary text. In primary text you write M series earbuds. Then you can write about the M series earbuds. So you can simply this and write high quality about some introduction about it, and define it your product. High quality stereo sound, high quality stereo sound, good battery timing, and up to something you want to write. So and heading we write it like limited stock available. We write it and give up to limited stock available. And when we click there, click it up to 30% off. So you can write there like this type of headings, and description you take from chat gpt or anything, like we want to any description, so we can take a chat gpt, and we go to chat gpt, and click on ChatGPT. When we go to ChatGPT and then select cancel and give me description in earbuds. So it's give me some description. I copy, but you can don't same copy. You can click on it and make it some changes from it, and so we can write description, and there we can text. So where you want to people can come, like we select it, shop now, and then this is our ad set is, so we can preview it. So that is our ad set. We can set it look like this. Yeah, and feeds in this, and feeds and marketplace and video feeds, explore home. So it's look like that shop now. Okay, so this is our ad, how to write a ad copy, and you can simply publish there because there is something error. I know what error because I don't select pixels. This is the error. So this you can simply add payment method and publish. You can publish, add payment method, and it can be published. So this is our last lecture about how to set up ad copy, and so we will be meet in next lecture about how Google Ads. So we run start to Google Ads and how to run ads on Google. So our next lecture about that. So we will meet in the next lecture. So thanks for watching.